A lot of you have been asking me how you can actually monetize your AI skill. But what if I tell you that there's actually a platform whereby you are going to earn money by training AI? Yes, in this platform, you can earn nothing less than $10 within 1 hour by training AI. And in this video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and show you how to do this. And one good thing about this platform is the fact that you have access to this platform from anywhere around the world. Yes, from any country. And in this video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and show you how to do this. All I want from you now is to just pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. I don't like to much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, you just have to come to your browser and then search for Toloka AI and then go ahead and hit OK. Now this particular site, the first link, go ahead and click it. So when you click it, these are the interface is going to look like. As you can see, look at it. You have to go ahead and sign up with them, but let me show you something. You have to choose your role, right? Scroll up, and as you can see, look at the role. So choose the role that you want. For me, for you that you actually want to train AI, you want to earn money, you just have to go ahead and click earn money. Okay. All right, so if you click the earn money, it's going to bring you here to log in using your Google account. And if you see that people are accessing this platform from India, from I think Israel, and also from Nigeria. Okay, to show you that even in Nigeria, from any country in the world, you have access to it. There's no any restriction. As you can see, this is testimonial from some of our Nigerian guys. I say the freedom, convenience is priceless. I can work from anywhere I want, and blah blah blah, all those stuff, right? Okay, so now we are going to be logging in using our Google account. So you just have to go ahead and click continue with Google. So go ahead and click it. So if you click continue using Google, it's going to bring you here to enter your phone number. Yes, you need to verify your phone number. So you just have to go ahead and provide your phone number and then go ahead and click send code. So they are going to be sending me a code. They'll send you a code and then go ahead and impute the code that they sent to you. They are going to send it through your WhatsApp. Okay. All right, so the moment you impute the code and click continue, they are going to ask you to fill in your personal detail, which I have already did, and then after that, it's going to bring you here. As you can see, they're asking me to complete your profile, which they want you to upload your resume. Okay, that is your CV. They are asking you to complete your profile by uploading your CV. With that, they know the kind of task they are going to be assigning to you. Okay, and if you click the get started, you are going to see where they say select file. Okay, so now if you already have your CV, go ahead and click select file and bring it in. Okay, but let's go ahead and click payment and see. All right, so if you click the payment, it's going to bring you here. Look at that. Okay, you see, look at my available to withdraw. I'm pending for the payment date, and you can go ahead and add payment method. Money here, anything that you earn, you add the payment method that you are going to use to receive that money. All right, so that is it about that. But now, how do you now get the tax? Okay, which tax are you going to work on before they pay you your money? Now let me show you that. So on your dashboard, any tax that is available, they are going to send it to your dashboard like this. So you click your project, that up, you are going to see project and explore. Click project. So when you click the project, and then it's going to bring you here to the project, and then you are going to be clicking this start. Clicking this start means you request for approval, then you start the project. As you can see, these are the projects that I can actually work on currently. Okay, there's some that they are not going to send to you. You actually, like, there's some time that you don't see any project actually, but most time on this side, they always give you a project that you can join. There's always be a project that you can join. You click start. If they approve it, then you start the project. If you look very well, you are going to see the one that they have approved for me, this UHRS tax. Okay, and they are ready to pay 0.05 to $10, and this tax will just cost me and if you look very well, this tax will take me 5 minutes. Okay, it's going to take me 5 minutes to start this project. Okay, now click the details. Click this detail. You are going to see the details of the tax. How many minutes? This is 5 minutes. So I'm going to be spending 5 minutes on this tax, and within 5 minutes I should finish this one, because this one now is available. They have approved this one. So if I click this start tax now, they are going to ask me to connect my Microsoft ID. If you don't have, you can go ahead and create, or there's their own ID that you can use. You can just go ahead and create this ID. The ID is going to monitor you to be on the site
That is the work of that one. So you just go ahead and click it, and then you are going to start this task. Okay, if you still want me to show you how to go about the task, how to execute the task, let me know. It's not hard actually. It's something that if you understand the basic of AI, it's very, very easy for you to do.
All right, so I'm done connecting the Microsoft ID. It's not a must that you use system. Actually, everybody, you can click, if you notice very well, when you go to that Microsoft, you can go ahead and create the account. They just need your email if you don't have an account. If you don't have the Microsoft account, okay, with just your email, you can go ahead and create it and use the ID on it. So I've done that with that, and then you go ahead and proceed with the task. Now to the next platform in which you can earn money by training AI. Come to your browser and then search for Appen CrowdGen. Okay, Appen CrowdGen. Hit okay, this particular link, you just have to go ahead and click it. All right, so if you hit okay, it's going to bring you here, and this is how the interface look like. This is a sign in as a new beginner. You just have to go ahead and sign in, and if you scroll up, you are going to see they have 1 million plus remote members, 500 plus languages, and 200 countries. Okay, and you can go ahead and find projects. Okay, as you can see, there are a whole lot of work here for you to do, and if you not pay very close attention, you think that the project is not AI based project until you click apply. Now let me show you that. Now let's go ahead and click view project. Okay, click this view projects, and then you are going to see lots of projects here. Look at it. You see AI trainer, domain expert. Okay, this is data collection, and and this is AI based project. If you look at it, linguistic, blah blah blah, those things, you think that, oh, maybe this is not AI based, but definitely it is. Until you click apply, that's when you are going to know the role and what you have to do. It's actually an AI based project. Okay, as you can see, there are lots of projects here. Look at it, generalist and so on and so forth. Social media, like a whole lot here. Linguistic, computer voice recognition, search evaluation. Like there are a whole lot of projects here for you to do, but if you do not be careful, you are not going to know that it's AI until you go ahead and click apply. Okay, as you can see, transcription, and also like there are lots. You just have to go ahead and exploit yourself. Okay, now let's click one so that you see that it is AI based project. Okay, let me quickly go ahead and sign in, and then I'll click one apply. All right, so now I've signed in. So now let's go ahead and apply for one. Let's click this linguistic and see. Let's click it and see what is there. As you can see, from any means from any country, any location you are, and then you see AI trainers, domain expert, data collection, independent contractor, project based remote. That is, you work from anywhere. Okay, that is why I told you that all those work there is AI based job actually. Okay, so now let's click for this click this apply for this job. Okay, let's click it, apply for this job, and then it's going to bring you here. You see, you are to attach your resume, that is your CV. Put your CV and provide this your information, your full name, your email address, everything, and just fill it and click submit. And when they approve it, they send it to your dashboard, and then you start working on it. There are still lots of platforms out there that you can earn by training AI, which I'm going to be explore more. So if you want to really get something to be doing, if you want to be AI trainer, I highly recommend you to stick to this channel, subscribe, because there are lots there that I'm going to show you. There's this one that I'm currently working on, which you are going to love it. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to be sharing it with you. All I want from you now is to just stay tuned. Okay, a quick one. Do you want to learn how to do everything with AI? How to create any type of realistic AI video, how to create a chatbot using AI, how to create a responsive website using AI, how to create any type of flyer or logo using AI, Facebook adverts, prompt engineering, and so many more, then I highly recommend you to join our academy today. On our academy, we have over 10 modules, and each of the modules come with its own lesson, as you can see. So if you are interested, join our academy to learn everything today. So just click the link at the description of this video, and you are going to see a link to our academy. Join our academy today. And this is basically how to train AI and earn money. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new to this channel, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up and tell me something else at the comment section. And big join up as per your friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.